Hello guys and welcome back to my YouTube channel. If you're new to my channel, welcome to the Cook Jungle family. Today we're going to be showing you a very easy recipe. It's Dombolo or Dombolo. It's a South African kind of steamed bread. Very delicious. You can have it with beef stew, as I am right now having it with beef stew. Thank you to @royalty B on Instagram. She's the one who shared this nice recipe video for you guys. She just started her own cooking page on Instagram. So if you guys want to know how to make like authentically South African dishes, Royalty B is your South African plug. Okay guys, she is also the person that did the chakalaka video with us. Okay, if you have not seen the chakalaka video, I'm going to put it up here so that you guys can watch it. It's a very nice bean relish that you can eat with your meat, barbecue meat, and basically goes with everything. Okay guys, as I said, if you're new, welcome to my channel. Make sure that you press the like button, make sure that you share the video, and also put your comments down in the description box below. Okay guys, without further ado, let's get right into the video.
Umlilo na malangabe, bavuta umlilo, nangulo umlilo, bavuta umlilo na malangabe, bavuta umlilo, nangulo umlilo. Talimiling sugumishosha lentando yakho abangaboni sebeyobona mina ngeke ngikwazi ukufakazela omunye umuntu kodwa ithando lakho mina ngizotshela bani ithando lakho talimiling sugumishosha lentando yakho abangaboni sebeyobona mina ngeke ngikwazi ukufakazela omunye umuntu kodwa ithando lakho mina ngizotshela bani nangulo umlilo lilo lilo